Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm the host of the show. Добро пожаловать! Today I want to show you how to make these delicious chocolate and passion fruit truffles. They're out of this world, so delicious, like chocolatey and a bit sour because of the passion fruit, and I really love them because I love passion fruit. So I hope you try these and let me know in the comments down below if you love truffles and what are your favorites. And now let's get started. To make your ganache, add dark chocolate into a bowl along with butter and some heavy or double cream. And we're going to place this in a microwave until it's completely melted. Make sure you cook this in 30-second bursts so you don't burn your chocolate. Then you want to mix everything together with your whisk until the chocolate starts to come together and look just like this. Add passion fruit puree and then mix everything together quite gently with your whisk until the mixture is incorporated and smooth. Place a cling film on top of your bowl and this will go into the fridge until it's completely set, which can take 6 to 8 hours. Once your mixture has set, you want to take off the cling film and then just test it with a spoon. You might want to leave it at a room temperature for just a few minutes so it's nice and easy and spreadable. Add cocoa powder into a bowl and where we're going to dip our truffles. So you need to take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and then roll it in your hands. I do like to use gloves because otherwise the chocolate gets everywhere. Then dip it into your cocoa powder from all the sides and it will look just like this. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. And then place them onto a plate and they're ready to go. You can decorate them in any way that you like and make sure you place them into the fridge or freezer to set a little bit. Once they're done, you can enjoy these straight away. They're so creamy, so delicious. Got a very delicious, yummy passion and chocolate flavor. I hope you enjoy these.